Hi, today I'll be doing an exciting comparison of Galileo AI and Framer AI, two platforms that are changing the way we use AI in 2025. These tools promise to take us on an interesting journey with the use of AI. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly what each tool is, what makes them unique, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally we get to see the best no-code app design tool in 2025. Let's start with Galileo. Galileo AI is an advanced platform designed to make AI systems, especially those powered by large language models, more reliable, observable, and safe. As large language models become increasingly complex and unpredictable, Galileo provides the tools needed to evaluate, monitor, and improve AI applications across the entire lifecycle. Galileo's core mission is to help developers detect and fix unexpected behaviors in AI systems, prevent hallucinations and errors in production, and to continuously improve models based on real-world feedback. Now let us talk about Framer AI. Framer AI takes a slightly different direction. It's all about web design and publishing. Framer is the design tool for websites, and with this you can design freely, publish fast, and scale with CMS, SEO, analytics, and more. What makes it powerful is that it just doesn't stop at the layouts. Framer also generates text content, selects fonts, builds out color palettes, and even allows you to shuffle different design variations until you find one you like. And if you want even more customization, Framer's plugin ecosystem gives you access to AI-powered tools that can rewrite, copy, generate SEO-friendly alternate text, or even recreate a structure of a website just by pasting its URL. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, Galileo AI. Agent Reliability Platform. Galileo provides full visibility into how AI agents behave across multi-step workflows. There's also the Luna 2 Evaluation Engine. It's a proprietary small language model built for real-time, low-cost evaluation. It runs 10 to 20 metrics simultaneously with sub 200 milliseconds latency, costs about 97% less than GPT-style judges, and it powers agentic metric like tool selection quality, action advancements, and safety checks. There's also a real-time defense system against hallucinations, prompt injections, and data leaks. There's also the Insights Engine. It automatically identifies failure modes and surfaces actionable insights. It uses advanced reasoning models to analyze logs and traces and provides root cause analysis and optimization suggestions. And there's the security and compliance. There's enterprise-grade security baked into the platform, the SOC Type 2 and HIPAA compliance. There's also centralized Trust Center for Transparency and incident response and data privacy protocols. Now let us talk about the features of Framer AI. Framer AI is mostly prompt-based, but also lets you use plugins to pull in site structures or generate extra content. Customization. Framer focuses on visual styling, shuffle different colors, fonts, layouts until you get the perfect look. Framer is focused on websites like landing pages, portfolios, SaaS sites, marketing pages, and so on. Framer also allows direct publishing to the web and gives you hosting with custom domains. Framer also has a wide plugin ecosystem, which means you can connect with external AI models like OpenAI or Anthropic for extra functionality. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. For Galileo AI, there's a free plan for developers. You can get started for free on this one. It costs $0 as you can see. Although it is limited in what you can use it for, but it's also very generous. And there's an enterprise plan where you can custom the price. This is for teams that need unlimited scale, security, and premium support. You have to contact them to get the value for this. What about the cost of Framer AI? Well, if it's for personal, you get started for landing pages at $5 per month per site. There's also a basic plan at $15 per month per site and a pro plan of $30 per month per site. It has different features, and there's the business plan where you start with at least $75 per month per site. This gives you lots of access. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. First, Galileo AI. It can detect and fix unexpected behaviors in AI systems. It also prevents hallucinations and errors in production. And for Framer AI, the pros, you can go from idea to live websites seamlessly. Strong creative flexibility with colors, fonts, and layouts. And the plugin ecosystem also adds tons of extra AI functionality. How about the cons? For Galileo AI, it is still evolving, so you can expect more improvements. And for Framer AI, it is more focused on websites, and there is no free tier at the moment. Some advanced features definitely require higher price subscriptions. So after breaking it all down, which one deserves the crown in 2025? Well, the answer depends on what you're using it for, because they have different functions. But definitely, if your main goal is to build websites, like especially landing pages, portfolio, or marketing pages, then Framer AI shines. The fact that you can go from a simple idea to a live published site without leaving the platform is incredibly powerful. And definitely, if you're looking to make your large language model more reliable, observable, and safe, then Galileo AI is your go-to. With the $0 price for developers is something good to start with. And as you customize your evaluations and scale your AI applications to production, then you can decide to upgrade. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore UiZard, Kittle, and Simplified. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.